Let me show you how it works. First, I log into my Take Pics Here account and I go to My Photo Locations, which gives me access to my personal database of all my locations. Right from the archive, I can easily add locations to the Lookbook staging area using the Add to Lookbook button. Once I've selected the locations I want, I move into the builder and give the project a name. This could be a portrait session, an engagement shoot, a branding session, travel shoot, or even a full production. As I build the lookbook, I can organize the flow of the shoot and compare the different location styles side by side. It makes it much easier to plan the overall vibe and direction of the shoot. Once the lookbook is ready, I send the client a private review link. They go through the locations and vote on their favorites, leave comments, and help narrow down the final selections without all the back and forth messaging. After the voting process is complete, Take Pics Here automatically helps convert those selections into a final shoot plan with the main locations, backup spots, timing notes, and route details already organized. The goal is simple: make photo location planning feel organized, collaborative, and professional from beginning to end.